Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp onigiri, full guide. Start by rinsing 2 cups of short-grain rice until the water runs clear, then cook it with the proper water ratio. While rice cooks, prepare about 10 medium shrimp, poached or sautéed until opaque, then chop. Season the hot rice with a simple vinegar mix and let it cool until warm to touch before shaping into triangles. For the filling, mix chopped shrimp with a small spoonful of mayo and a dash of soy sauce to taste, keeping the balance light. Fold in finely sliced scallions or minced shiso if you want a fresh lift. Taste a pinch to confirm seasoning. Keep fillings modest so the onigiri holds together. When ready, dampen hands and form a slight well in warm rice to enclose the shrimp mix safely inside. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: I love reading recipes and cookbooks on a compact e-reader. It saves space and keeps screens clean while I cook. Check the description for the link and other deals we mention so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Wet your hands and sprinkle a little salt to season the rice surface, then take a handful of warm rice and form a shallow well. Place a teaspoon of shrimp filling in the center, cover with rice and press into a compact triangle using thumbs and palms, not fingers. Keep motion steady and gentle to avoid crushing grains. Finish by wrapping a strip of nori around the base for texture and easy handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.